While electricity has become an indispensable component of our lives, the fact is, it comes with its own hazards to human life and property. Electrocution and fire being the two major risks associated with electricity, one cannot afford to be negligent when it comes to insulating equipment. A residual current circuit breaker (RCCB) is an important safety measure when it comes to the protection of electrical circuits. It's a current sensing device which can automatically measure and disconnect the circuit whenever a fault occurs in the connected circuit or the current exceeds the rated sensitivity. Aimed at protecting an individual from the risk of electric shocks as well as electrocution and fires, RCCB is particularly helpful in instances of a sudden earth fault. The presence of RCCB ensures that in such cases, the circuit will trip immediately and the person is thus protected from an electric shock. Benefits of RCCB: provides protection against earth fault as well as any leakage current. Automatically disconnect the circuit when the rated sensitivity is exceeded. Offers the possibility of dual termination both for cable and bus bar connections. Offers protection against voltage fluctuation as it includes a filtering device that guards against transient voltage levels. Limitations of RCCB: while RCCB has many advantages, it has some limitations as well. RCCB does not guarantee to operate if no standard waveforms are generated by loads. There might be some unwanted tripping of RCCB. It's mainly because whenever there are sudden changes in electrical load, there can be a small current flow to earth, especially in old appliances. RCCB does not protect from current overload. It has been designed to protect only when the live current and neutral current are different. RCCB does not protect against line neutral shocks. Sensitivity of RCCB: a human being is able to sustain an electric shock to the extent of 30 mA, while up to 10 mA may just evoke a prickling sensation. 10 mA onwards may lead to muscular contraction, further leading to respiratory paralysis at around 30 mA. RCCBs are therefore designed to look for small changes in residual current. In cases where protection from fire is sought, RCCBs are also used to track higher changes in residual current of up to 300 mA. RCCB is therefore extremely important in providing real-time protection for circuits. In houses, industries, and high-voltage commercial setups, especially, its importance cannot be undermined as there is always the risk of shocks and accidental deaths on account of it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer Ajalar's channel, How to Make Home.